Let's pick it up.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Pere has won the Innocent Vehicle Motors Caris model tonight in the Innocent Vehicle Motor task. So how did it all start? Big Brother asked all of them to go straight into the arena for the Innocent Vehicle Motor task, right? And of course, as soon as they got there, Big Brother read out the rules to them.
Good evening, housemates.
Good evening, Big Brother.
So each of them were to stand in marked spaces and to pick the stick beside them that had a magnet and use those sticks to pick up each bolt one after the other and throw it into the bucket. And then whosoever's buckets dropped first, right, during the game while they were throwing the bolts, right, was going to be announced the winner. And then the game began, and while they started, Whitemoney threw a bolt and literally just in the beginning of the game, right, his bucket cut off and he was disqualified. And the remaining of the housemates proceeded, and while the game was on, Pere threw a particular bolt into the bucket and straight up his bucket caught and fell down on the glass box.
You tried this side.
Yes.
It got heavy and it fell.
Oh, Pere!
And then Big Brother told him that whoever rushes first to get the mark key on the glass box is going to be announced the winner. And straight up, Pere ran as fast as he could, picked up the mark key, and of course, he was pronounced the winner.
Pere,
Yes, Big Brother.
congratulations.
Thank you, Big Brother.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms on Facebook and Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at the Femi Daniel. And until next time I come away very soon, it's bye for now.